Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it may be from wherever you are in the world. Welcome to today's Pilates class. I want you to lay flat. We're going to take a couple of deep breaths in and out. We're just going to relax the body a little bit, and then we're going to bring the knee up and go straight into our bridge position. And we're going to go up and down, squeezing those glutes, up and down, making sure your glutes are engaged and squeezing at the top there. Make sure your back is flat on the ground when you're coming down. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going, making sure your core is tight, your lower back is on the ground when you come down, and your glutes are engaged. This is a really good exercise for your glutes. And we're coming up for the last one now. Take a rest, well done. We are now going up into our bridge hold. Make sure you engage those glutes and hold. Keep holding. You've got this. Have your hands, your fingers spread out on the mat, your feet flat. Keep holding. You're doing really, really well. Squeeze those glutes and come down. Well done. We're now going to bring your legs up into a tabletop position, arms up and down for 1, 2. We're going to be alternating the legs, making sure your core is engaged. You're tapping your toes on the ground, keeping your pace, keeping your rhythm. Lower back flat on the ground, arms up straight. Keep going. Well done. This is a really, really good core exercise. Engaging that core, pointing those toes. We're nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring your legs down, arms out flat. Just take a moment here. We're now going into our hundreds. Feet flat, head up, and pump those arms. Your core should be feeling on fire for this one. Nice and engaged. Making sure you're breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring your arms down. And now we're going to bring the right leg, left leg up. And we're going to do 100 again. Pump those arms, head up, core engaged. Making sure your knees are in line. Well done. Legs down again. Feet flat on the ground. We're going to bring our arms up above our heads. We're going to extend our legs out. And we're going to bring them together. And 1, 2, 3, core engaged, head up, point those toes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should feel those abs working. 9, 10, 11. Keep going. 12. Well done. Feet back on the ground. Taking a little bit of a breather. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we're going on to our side for some side work. Keeping your leg underneath, slightly bent. Come up onto your arms. And we're going to go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold. We are holding it here. Keep holding. And get ready to go forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Well done, keeping that toe pointed. You should really feel everything being engaged here. You may feel your inner thigh starting to burn. This means it's working. Get ready for pulsing. And pulse. Keep pulsing. And pulse. Well done. Bring your leg back down and we're switching over to the other side. Same position. Ready? Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Inner thighs will start to burn. Keeping that straight leg. Leg underneath bent. And hold. And hold. I know my leg was burning here. Those thighs were on fire. Keep holding. You're doing so well. And we're going forward and back. And forward and back. And forward and back. This is a great one for your sides, your core, your inner thighs, and also your arms. You're holding your weight up. Back and forward. Back and forward. Well done. Now we're going to do our pulses. I definitely could feel the burn on these ones. Keep pulsing. Keep going and pulse and pulse and pulse. You are doing so well. Even coming to this workout today is amazing. Moving your body, and we are done. Well done. We are now going into a seated position. We're just going to hold onto our knees and take a few deep breaths. Relax your muscles, put your head back. We're now going to do some circles with our body, just loosen things up. Great job. Taking a second, really feeling in tune with our body. On to the next move. Now put your legs out flat, bring one knee up, and we're going to pulse up and down with that right leg. Keeping your core engaged. Keep going. This can be quite a tricky one to keep your posture. So try and think about your posture as you're doing this. Now we're going to put our arms out in front and keep going. Pulse up and down, up and down. Well done. Now let's alternate to the other side, bringing that knee in, switching sides, hold on to the other knee, and we're gonna go up and down, up and down. I definitely struggle with this move just due to my knees. I also run, so sometimes my knees feel a bit stiff, but that's on me. Hence why I'm putting this move in the workout. I need to work on it. We're not all perfect. No one is. Now put your arms out and pulse up and down. You guys are doing so well. And I really hope you're enjoying this workout. Well done. Let's bring those knees in. Okay, let's go into our tabletop position. Making sure your knees and your hips are all in line. I'm going to bring our arms out, our legs out, and we're going to bring them all together into a crunch. Alternating the legs, opposite sides, to the arm and the leg, and in, and out, and in, and out. You will really feel your abs working and your glutes working in this workout. Keep going. Making sure you're engaging that glute at the top. And now we're switching on to the other side. Crunch. We've all got one weaker side. This is my weaker side. And crunch. I'm now 11 months postpartum, and seriously, Pilates just makes my body feel so good. So I'm so glad you've joined me today. Keep going. Last one. Great job. Now bring everything together, have a little stretch in your cat pose, have a little wiggle, move your body, bring yourself down, and we're going to push up and stretch, coming back down again. Bring your arms back. We're doing swimmer hundreds. And pump. And pump. Well done. Keep going. Head up. Legs off the ground. Squeezing your glutes and pumping those arms. This is engaging your core. You're using your arms. And we're coming back down. Well done. Now we're bringing our arms up in front of us. And we're going to bring our legs back. Sorry, our arms back, our legs up. So we're bringing them back, squeezing those shoulder blades together. And your legs and your feet are coming off the ground at the same time. This is great for your upper back muscles, your core, your glutes. You're doing so well. Keep going. We're nearly done. Now bring yourself down and up. Taking a second. Well done. Next move. Bringing our arms out in front, legs off the ground. And we're doing the same thing, but instead of putting our head down on the ground, we are staying elevated, we are balancing, we are engaging that core, using those shoulder blades, using those shoulder muscles, working those upper back muscles and our core, our glutes, and we are balancing. Well done. And down again, bringing yourself down, back up into your catch stretch. Stretch your body out. Big breaths, and we're coming down and up again. Well done. Now let's go into the prayer pose. And really feel your back stretch out, your muscles start to relax. Thank you so much for joining today's Pilates. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. And just thank you for showing up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.